House with garden makeup brushes, makeup eggs and powder puffs can all be placed in the mini portable washing machine. House with garden. Fill the mini washing machine with warm water and your personal preference of brush soap, makeup cleanser, or antibacterial soap. House with garden. House with garden. Dunk the brush into the water, preferably not touching the bottom, and start the machine. House with garden. You can use the super cute mini washing machine to make cleaning your brush fun.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,